Okay guys, I want to give you guys a very quick tip today when it comes time to sew a dart to get a good even straight line. Mark the tip of your dart with a pen, and you can draw it with a temporary marker of some sort till you get your pen in it when you do your pattern. So I had a little tiny mark there, so I put the pen through it to mark the tip of the dart. When you're cutting your pattern out, I cut a center line, and then I cut a line right here showing the start of the dart. And you can go ahead and cut two if you want to, but generally if you press it right here where the cut is for the center of it and line it up with your dot and then press a straight line, this will be your starting point and it should line up. And I've kind of cut both of them here to show what goes on, but I've got a cut here and they line up. And if they're off a tiny bit, like a 1/16 of an inch or whatever, it's not going to make that big of a difference. But anyway, so get you some file folder, manila folders, and use the straight edge on the part of it. You're going to cut part of it, and just to be sure that you're nice and straight, use the straight edge that you didn't cut. Line the top up where the top of the dart starts, and then the bottom of it up with the bottom here, and then all you're going to do is sew right along the line, and that'll give you a nice straight stitch. So go ahead and hand crank the needle down into the fabric first, make sure your alignment is good, and I'm right on the money, like so. Okay, I'm starting off real small stitches to lock them in, then I'm going to 2.5, and I'm just going to come straight down this line here using that ruler as my guide. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pull my pen out so I don't sew over it. Okay, I'm getting close to the end here, so I'm going to shorten my stitches up, going all the way down to 1, and then I'm just going to sew right off the fabric, like so. Long thread tails, and then I'll tie my knot off here. I don't really have to since stitches are short, but I go ahead and put a quick little double twist knot in it to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. And anyway, you can see a nice straight line there as I come down. So give that a try and see if that helps you get your darts nice and straight. Eventually, when you've done this enough, you can do without that and just sew down. The main thing is when you're sewing, keep your eye on your target. Don't watch the needle. And if you keep your eye on the target, the tip, you'll be amazed at how you sew a straight line. So you may want to get some test fabric and give that a try too. But this is kind of sewing darts on training wheels. So if you're having problems, give that a try, and hopefully that'll help you out. As usual, if you have any questions, please let me know. That's it for now. Take care.